How to save your LibreOffice Draw document as a PDF. Simply head to the top menu, click File and then search for Export. We can export as PDF. If you select that, you will see this pop-up window when you can customize our PDF options. If you got multiple pages, you can select them from here. In my case, it's just one page. If you got raster elements like JPEGs or PNGs, you can also decide about the resolution of those elements here. If you like to add a watermark to it, now it's time to do it. Alright, we can now just check all of these options, and if everything's alright, click Export, select the place on your computer and save it. And here it is, the very same document saved as PDF. It's really easy to print out PDFs and it's really easy to share them with others, even those without LibreOffice Draw. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.